Here's how you use your key fob. Now, at the bottom, you can unlock your vehicle. Top, you will lock it. And right here to the side, you will just hold the button and it will open your sliding door. Now, second function for your key fob. In case if your key fob battery is running low, hit the brake. You can hit here your start engine and it will force it to turn on, or just leave it here. You're going to have a hole right below the cup holders. You can stick 2 fingers in, just plug it in and try the same turn on and off motion. Next, the Mercedes van, if you need to leave your friend's pet with AC and you need to run out to do a diligence in the store or gas station, whatever you need to, if you leave with the key fob, the van is not going to lock up. How can you overcome this? In the back of your key fob, you're going to hit the silver button. You're going to pull your physical key out. Now your key fob is going to go in that exact same hole right here at the bottom. You just plug it in. Once you do so, you're going to open your driver's door, lock the doors up, and you're going to lock the door with your physical key and outside. To lock the doors, you're just going to lock it here. All doors will lock except the driver's door. And this is where the physical key will come in place. You will just lock it here to the left. Go do whatever you have to. Once you're ready to come back inside, you just unlock it and you're good to go.